Here at Inozetek, we strive to create colors that were unmatched in the vinyl industry. Today, we fulfill that promise and introduce to you our new lineup of colors, starting with our vintage racing green, inspired by the ever so popular British racing green. And then we have our racing yellow, a color we created to appeal to those of you out there who want to stand out on track or on the road. And lastly, we bring you our metallic racing green, a collaboration between us and the Rap Society, and a color that was derived from the gorgeous Aston racing green.